Okay, guys, this is in Selden, New York, and it's a great Muslim community. And they have all these stores lined up, and they sell some Middle Eastern product, like any kind, such as they do halal meat, and also some Arabic product like food, some kind of Muslim supermarket. And this store right here, they have some halal meat here. If you're looking for some halal meat, they have it here in this store. It's very rich community here, and this is the inside the store. So we're gonna go into it. So let's go film some, take some videos. As you can see it here, that's the store. It's the same store actually. This is the exit. As you can see there, they sell taco with halal meat. And this is the red chili store right here, and it is also halal. And when you go further over there, they got the mosque, and we're gonna go ahead and check it out right after. But for now, I'm gonna go inside this store and show you what they got, what kind of product they sell. It is amazing, a great variety, and it is located here in Selden, New York, in Suffolk County. And this is the supermarket, as I showed you on the video before. So it's a halal supermarket right here. And let's go inside the store. So this is the entrance of the store. So we're gonna go inside and we're gonna check out all this beautiful product. So when you come in, you get all this stuff, Muslim merchandise. And they have also some Muslim clothes, right? Very, very exotic store. And they also sell some woman product, like woman makeups, hair. And so it's a beautiful store. They got all this product. And let me go on this side, starting from here. You can see all this merchandise. They also have some American products, but mostly is Middle Eastern products. As you can see here, everything is so nice. And let's check out the frozen area. This is the frozen aisle where they have all these frozen product, mostly from the Middle East. It's a very big store, when you come in here. And again, this is in Selden, New York, Suffolk County, Long Island. So right now, this is the Ramadan month, the holy month of Ramadan. So if you're looking for a Ramadan product, you can come here in this store and you can purchase your stuff. And it is very, very convenient. Just coming inside this store makes you feel great, makes you feel like you are in an Arabic country, in a Muslim country. It makes you feel like home. And let's see what this is. Some of the product, I don't know the name, so they got walnuts here. Everything is Arab product. A great big supermarket here in Selden, New York. So this is the dairy aisle, dairy product. When you look at the president butter, that's very foreign. And they have some rice as well. This is the rice product here. This is the entire aisle. So any kind of rice here, they have it available, Beautiful, beautiful store. And this is the oil product. You're looking for oil, they have it here. You can see different type of oil they got in here. And this is the vegetable area, right? So they got everything here. Basically, it is a very, very great variety product, American and also Middle Eastern. And they have some Indian product as well. So, you know, check this out. Beautiful. They got shaki atta. I believe this is rice. Yeah, this is all rice product. And also, check this out, some basmati rice or as well. They got that available in here. It is so cool. And some vegetables, and this is the vegetables area. Okay, and let's go back to this aisle. Check out the oil aisle. So overall, it's a beautiful store. And this is some drinks, some like Fruta, Vitals, some drinks if you're looking for drinks as well. And let's go back. So very nice place. So if you want to feel like you're home, this is the place to be. You can come in here for at least 15 minutes of tour. You can feel like you are home to the homeland. And it is so beautiful, right? Very nice. And let's check out those products that I'm not familiar with, but if you see it, you should know what they are. Some drinks. It feels like the Ramadan around here, honestly. So this is the place to be if you're looking for Arabic product, Middle Eastern product. So this is the store. And now, what else am I going to show you? And they also have a butcher shop. The butcher shop is this one right here. And all this meat is halal meat. So they got goat meat, lamb meat. And they also have some lamb feet. And this is the butcher area, and they have nice halal meat in here. Very beautiful place. How you doing? Yeah. So, you know, they're so cool, very nice people. So when you come in here, that's how you feel, my friends. It's a nice place. And look at all those pans, casseroles you can use for cooking. Myself, I'm so happy that I came here today to make this video because it makes me feel like I belong here. I'm Muslim as well, and then you know, from different countries. You know, if you're looking for anything that's Middle Eastern product, this is the store to come to. And now I came here for one thing. I'm gonna go look for it and buy it. And then after that, we're gonna go to the mosque, and I show you the mosque area. So this is Selden, New York. Okay guys, mashallah, they don't this is the store in Selden, so we're gonna go and pay for the merchandise. And when you come here, over here they got these pastries, Muslim pastries. Very beautiful and nice. That was this is the store in Selden, so And this is another halal store right here. So when we go inside, they have all halal. And this is the mosque in Selden. As you can see here, it's a nice building. So this is a big mosque. As you see all these cars coming in and out. So it's about to be Dhuhr and Isha. And stay here. Come on. Let's go this way. As you can see, there's a lot of car traffic in here. So this is the mosque in Selden, as you can see here. A big mosque. And they always easy opened up for public. And inside there, they have a nice sitting area for the iftar time. So people come in here and eat. When iftar comes, they have right here. And I think this is a madrasa for children, you know, to learn Arabic. Inside the mosque, so down here is for sisters, as you can see, and up here is for brothers. And when you go up there, you're gonna see all our Muslim brothers trying to pray. And this is the sisters. And this is inside the mosque for brothers. Very nice mosque, very big. And in here you can come in and pray during the Ramadan and during regular time as well. Very nice place. They're learning Quran here. The kids are learning Quran. So if you're looking for Quran classes for your children, you can come in here. This is the best place to be, to bring your children to learn Quran. So this is the mosque in Selden. So if you're looking for a mosque in Selden, Suffolk County, Long Island. So guys, this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new video on YouTube. Thank you for watching.